Eris, a plus size blogger. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and I hope you subscribe. If you are a subscriber and you're returning, welcome back. You know, I've been mentioning it for a while and hinting around to it on my Instagram and other social media platforms about doing a Fedora haul. Well, today is that day, and we're going to be sharing. I have about 10 hats that I'm going to share with you, and let's get started. All of the hats that I'm sharing with you today are affordable. I only have maybe 2 or 3 that were over, I'll say $35, more closer to the $50 range. I'll make sure and note those as we go through. So here's the first hat. This one is, I believe they call it a camel color. And I got this one, of course, Amazon. All of these hats are from Amazon. So here's my first one. This is a camel color hat. It has the black belt here. It does also have adjustable, way you can adjust it here on the inside with the strings. But this one actually fits really well. I don't have to do anything like that. And I'm gonna just try it on. I have my 2 little knots at the top there on my braids, my little twist. So I'm just gonna try it on so you guys can see how it looks. I'm really loving fedoras. I used to not be a hat girl, which I'm gonna blog about it and give you guys the story. So if I wanted to have my twist, kind of hang, I could do like this and wear it up. I still have hair hanging in the back. Not cute little sideburns. Next is one that I got from my mom for Christmas. As you can see, it's a beautiful emerald gem stone color. This is my favorite color outside of purple is green. She knows that. She also got me a coat to match this, which I can't wait to wear this winter. But she got this one, and I believe she said she got this from Amazon as well. I do have the name brand in here, so I'll be sure and try to search for it so I can make sure and tag this one if you're interested. This one just has the simple black belt. It's a little thicker than the other that goes all the way around. And it's a size large, which fits really well. And so this is that one. It's a little more floppy here, as you can see. This one I'm really excited about. I haven't had a chance to wear it yet. I'm kind of nervous about putting it on right now just because it's a white one. It's so beautiful, and the lights are kind of bright and not doing it any justice, but this is beautiful, like this gold detail right here. Oh, when I saw it, I was like, okay, definitely have to get it in white because it's a showstopper. But here we go. I'm gonna try this one on, and I don't really want to get any makeup on the front of it, but when I wear it, I'm gonna have some little things right here to kind of prevent that. But I'll just do it like this so you guys can see. Yeah, but this one's real fly. I'm sure you guys seen this one before. I have like a profile picture in this hat, but this is red. You always want to have like a pop of color, and red has been that color for me, as you can tell. But this one is the red one. It's coming out a little pinkish looking in the camera, but it's a true red all the way. It's how it looks, and if you see my profile picture, you'll be able to notice that it's actually a true red. And this one's like that first one, so it just has the buckle right here on it all the way around. Up next, I have my everyday goes with anything hat, and that's a black hat. This one has a camel color belt. I keep wanting to call it a belt. I guess it's a hat belt, but around it. So this one is like my everyday. If I just need to pick up a hat and go somewhere, this is gonna be that hat that I need to, if I'm just like, okay, bad hair day, or I just don't know what to do with my hair, or, maybe you just wanna wear it because it really goes with what I have on, this is the hat I'm gonna pick up. And as you can see, it has the little detailing right there, but yeah, this one is the one that I use and wear the most. Here's the green, and this is the more of an olive green. I do like green, but now that I have that other hat, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or not. I may end up sending it back, but it does have that gold detail. You can see it a lot better here on this hat, but it does have that gold detail on it, just like the white one. If I don't take it back, I may do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. But thumbs up if you would like to possibly win this in a giveaway. Let me know. Help me make that decision. And we know that animal print is the big thing this season, and here it is. I love this hat. I have another picture, I think, that a lot of people commented on saying they like the hat, and I was wearing this one. I like it. It's another one of those that could possibly be an everyday quick pickup hat, just because it can go with a lot of things. And I like this because it has that animal print detail there built on the hat. But yeah, this is a favorite. Let me pull it all the way down like I would actually wear it. I'm trying not to get makeup on them because I haven't put, all of them don't have that foam on the inside, but yep. Up next, we'll go with one that I recently purchased. I'm kind of getting into making purchases for like spring and summer. So this is one of those transition hats. And here it is here. Now I was definitely stepping outside of my fashion zone or safety zone with this one. But I did think that it was really cute. And I think it's the perfect style for the transition from winter to, you know, spring. I can definitely see me wearing this with some type of like maxi type dress, kind of just breezing through the day, and I have this hat on. So this hat has like little tassels and shells on it and stuff, so like the beach and just blowing in the wind, and then it has, of course, the tie in the back. It's blue, so you can put it on with some jeans, some loafers, and a blouse, some kind of top, and also just like a regular maxi dress, free flowing, blowing in the wind. So that's where this came about, and the little, you know, tassels kind of blowing about. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I'm definitely gonna keep it, but I definitely went outside my normal comfort zone with this one. So we're down to the last two hats. The last two hats I'm going to show you. One I actually haven't opened up yet, so we're gonna unbox that one together. But they are the same style, just different colors. These are the more expensive of all that I've shown you today. These are probably, you can get it for probably about $44. They fluctuate if you just kind of watch your cart on Amazon. The lowest I've seen them go is probably around 44 or so. So just keep that in mind if you do think about purchasing, that you can probably get it cheaper than what it may initially be showing currently. Are y'all ready for this one? This one is blue. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this one. I cannot wait to wear it. I still have the tag on it and everything. But it's a flat bib. It's no flimsiness or anything like that. This is 100% Australian wool, and I'm so excited about wearing this hat. It's definitely good grade, like made very well. Oh my goodness. It's giving me such life right now. Oh, and I think, hold on. It does have like a little Velcro right here where you can tighten it up, so I need to loosen it up a little bit. I had to adjust it because I was playing around with putting it on. This one is an M, so I guess medium, but you can select different sizes in this hat. Some of the other hats over here, there's kind of a one size, so if you have a rather large head or maybe a smaller head, you may want to be mindful of that when you're looking into purchasing your hats. But this one right here and the other one that's left to show actually did give more range in sizes for your hats, which is good. All of them are still adjustable, but you know, adjusting it is only going to take you so far, depending on your head size. But anyhow, let's put this one back on. Oh yes. I'm so happy with this one. I love it. I love it so much. Look at that. Look, just look. You can wear it straight bibbed like that, or you can, you know, do a little tilt action with it. But I kind of like it straight. Like, I want you to see what's going on. I want you to get all of this. I really like this one. It's a powder blue. It's gonna be perfect for like any season, really. I mean, you can't go wrong. Like Christmas, snowy weather, cloudy skies, summertime, sun in your face, shades on, just kind of, yep. I'm getting all of that with this hat. But yeah, this is definitely a favorite. And I took a chance getting this color because, you know, sometimes when you purchase, the colors aren't as accurate online than when you actually receive the product. But this company right here is gonna get me in trouble. Y'all ready? Here it is. I know you can't see it, but the box, but you know, here it is. So here is the box. This is how it comes. Comes just like this. And here is the name of the company in case you guys are interested in knowing that right now without looking in the description, but it's called Zertrue. So here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, take it out so you guys can see the color. I actually store all of my hats on my wall in my bedroom, so I do have a hat wall. I think I took a picture and somebody caught a glimpse of it, but I don't keep them up here where I record. They're actually in my bedroom on a wall. And to do the hat wall, I just simply use thumbtacks and just hook them on there. So excited! It's Christmas all over again. All right, so here we go. Y'all seeing the color? Here it is. Ah, it's beautiful. There it is. Let me throw that down like that. So here is the hat. It's gorgeous. This is another color that I feel like I can wear and get a lot of range out of it, especially for fall. I believe this is going to be a favorite of mine. I know it's going to be a favorite of mine. But I don't know. I'm not sure what they call this color. Let me look and see if it's on the box what color they claim this to be. So this is the shade Coffee right here. And again, just like the other hat, very well made. I wish I would have found them first before making some of those other purchases. But I know that I'm gonna probably get some more. Shh, don't tell my husband. But Zertrue, y'all got it. So let's try it on. What you think? What do you think? What do you think? I love it. I'm just in love with this hat. Like this company, Zertrue, y'all are the truth. I really love this hat. It's so well made. It's a nice straight flat bib. You boxed my item perfectly. Delivered it. I mean, that's probably Amazon on time. So yeah. But this is definitely one that I will be wearing a lot. I will definitely be wearing this one a lot. The blue one, and of course my black and tan one, but I don't know, some of those other ones, I think I still got a little time. What date is it? I think I still got a little more time to send some of these back because I'm just so impressed and so in love with this company and this hat. They have a lot of colors available outside of what I've shown you in regards to all of the hats. There are a lot of different colors and styles available. If you have Amazon, which everybody I know has Amazon, you'll have no problem finding a hat for you. By far my favorite is going to be this company here with these hats. They are a bit more pricey, but you definitely want to, you know, pay for what you get. Let me know in the comments which hat was your favorite. If you have like a website or a place where you purchased your hats, definitely share that with me. I would love to know. I've definitely been searching around, but we all know that Amazon is the most convenient. So that's where I purchased the bulk of my hats from. So that is it for our Fedora haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, all of the hats came from Amazon that I shared with you today, and I will link them all below in the description box so you can find which one you like. Let me know which one you like. Comment and let me know which was your favorite. I'm sure you already know which was my favorite. Okay? But if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. I am trying to get my subscriber count up. It would mean the world to me to have you a part of my YouTube family. And I'll see you guys next video.